So I'm teaching Maybe this cool thing where I give her the cue for fireworks, and she heard me. And when the fireworks go off, she gets cookie. You can have one too. Fireworks! Good girl. And I'm going to hook this up to my speaker and make it louder. You can have one too. Fireworks! Fireworks, maybe. Good girl. Nice job. Fireworks. Yes! That's nice. I like adding feet. Fireworks. Oh, you sneaky. Good girl. Fireworks. Good girl. Okay, you can take your paw off there, you know. Mapes, can you move your foot? Maybe. Give your foot. Come here. Good girl. Not the other foot, then. Fireworks. Good girl. Last one. Fireworks. Maybe. Fireworks. Go on. You can do it. Fireworks. Maybe. Fireworks. You got it. You can do it. She's moving in on your space. She's too close, huh? Okay, Pongo, go over here. Okay, maybe fireworks. Yes, good girl. That was nice. Good job. Nice.